Hi guys, this is Team Wanderlust. We are presenting our idea for SIH 2024. The problem statement title is Integrating Industry Relevant Vocational Training into Elementary and Secondary Education Circular. So what we propose is a web-based platform where the multiple stakeholders can come onto a platform and provide a atmosphere for vocational training. So the multiple stakeholders like students, teachers, schools, industries and craftsmen can come on board to our platform, provide their insights and resources to have a environment which where the vocational trainings can flourish. What unique ideas we have in our app is school and industry corporations. So, a course will be customized by the needs of the workforce right now in the industry, with the school and the industry getting together. We also have an innovative idea for rural students or remote students which are not a part of urban schooling system, or which does not have the adequate resources to do the same as what an urban school can provide. So we have mobile training modules for them. It's like kind of a van or a setup, just a modular setup, which can be given to local villages schools or like remote schools, just to get the standardized training to all the students uniformly. We also have an AI career path, which can get you a career path which you can pursue based on your skills and interests. Resource sharing between the school. The major problem with this problem this problem statement is key. School does not have uh, all the school does not have all the skill, all the training equipments. So we have proposed an idea where schools can share their resources or facilities or equipments with each other, so that the burden of implementing this idea will not come down to every single school, whereas all the schools can act as a community, just to for the betterment of the environment related to vocational studies. Then we have craftsmanship program, which is a novelty in our idea. We also want to preserve Indian heritage and culture and craftsman techniques. So we can have courses related to those weaving techniques or all the culture like techniques which are ancient to India, which is slowly vanishing. So student can participate in those crafts courses and involve themselves, and they can also do apprenticeship or internship on based on those courses from their home, or go to that craftsman and learn from them. This can give a lot of boost to all the craftsmen in India to have explore the global market, because the new youth talents will come into their industries and give new ideas to promote their products. We uh, also have a flexible learning options. Student can switch between the vocational and the um, academic of the school, according to their time, which also a Ministry of Education have a problem statement of this. National Council of Vocational Training and Education and Training community also proposes this idea where vocational training can be included into the circular or the main syllabus of the school, where the student who have done their vocational training can is eligible to hold the same mark scores, or like can rejoin academics even whenever they want. So a platform where easy exit and entry point to at every level is provided. We are empowering rural areas by through mobility of and then we have mm, school to school resource sharing. So these are our unique solutions to it. When we have courses through creative with industries, we also provide them certificates to students on completion of those courses. These completion certificates are based on blockchain technology. So whenever the certificate is generated, it will have a smart contract which cannot be mutate or like changed. So the authenticity of the certificate can be verified at every time. and students can have NFTs at their profile, so they can have a local copy of their smart contracts into NFT form, and they can present it to all the uh, employers in the future as as required. So that was it. Now coming to our technology stack, what we are using is we are using React for the front end or the dynamic interface what we are building. We are targeting for a mobile based design first because of the ruler adoption of our technology. Node.js and Express.js will be using for server side or the backend to handle the API calls and everything. MongoDB will be using for dynamic data storage. Algorithms like, okay, so all the mobile equipment training modules will be equipped with recommendation systems. AI path generation will career path generation will have a recommendation system. For that we will use collaborative filtering. The apprenticeship matching, the industry will produce list their internship available or offers available. These matching with your interest and skills will be done by KNN models. Also, your dashboard can track your progress in a certificate or a course. This can be done by SVN models. Blockchains will be used for generation of certificates, which can also be downloaded in form of NFTs, and you can keep it in your profile. 8 Wall will be used for VR and AR implementation of the technology, which can give a virtual experience to our training modules. Here is the user flow of our solution. So, student flow. So there are 5 stakeholders as mentioned: the student, the teacher, the school, the industry guy, and the craftsman. So when the student signs up into our platform, they have 4 options available. The AI pathway, they can put their skills onto our platform and their interests. Based on that, we can curate them a path where all the courses, list them all the recommend all the courses they can take to achieve what they want to do in their life. Apart from that, we also have industry-based courses. Industry and school come together to curate this circulum or to curate these courses, where we also have academics along with the training which is required for the current generation workforce. Industry also student can find internship and apprenticeship listings, and they can apply based on their interests. These can be done by recommendation system as mentioned by KNN models. And then we have a special section of for craftsman apprenticeship. So craftsmen can also involve themselves and approach students by their apprenticeship or internship. The students can also do this internship virtually at their home and contribute to the craftsman's production at home, because it's a craft, so we can also have uh, we can make crafts at home as well. So that was the first stakeholder. The second stakeholder is the school. What all things schools can have. School can have a partnership with industries. So school can collaborate with different schools, polytechnic colleges, or the different research labs around or nearby him, or in the industries nearby him, for generation of such vocational courses for students. School can also have um, student analysis report, which is a way where we can align students vocational training and academics training along with together. So for example, if a student is doing a vocational training for a short period of time like this for 6 months, we can incorporate those scores into the academic score of the school of that year. So that's how school can be a stakeholder to it. We third that the stakeholder is the industry themselves. Industries can list their internship and apprenticeship, what they're looking for in a candidate, and students can get find the internship from this portal as well. The industries can also collaborate with schools to make courses, develop new generation courses, 21st generation courses. Industries can also provide mentorship to students at school, uh, which will be also a very beneficial step for having a collaborative atmosphere in vocational training. sometimes schools does not have enough funding or funds to have such very expensive equipments. So then industries can come up and offer centers and offline centers where they can put up some equipments into the schools and train their students. So these school and industry based centers can be generated with the help of industries. How and why industry will be willing to offer such facilities? We can also have, as mentioned later on the slide, that we can give them some tax beneficiation by the government and etc. The fifth and final stakeholder is the craftsmanship. As we know, there are a lot of cultural crafts which are getting vanished in India day by day. So to uphold those crafts, we have also given a separate place for craftsmen. They can come and register their apprenticeship or the um, uh, course on our platform, so that students can enroll to those courses and have the benefit of can also later indulge in entrepreneurship or startups regarding that craft. That's what it is, I guess. Next, we have also developed a prototype landing page for our solution. So we have EcoCollab. So it's a it's just a landing page where we have where we show what we can offer as a solution. So we have a section for school and industry partnership. In this section, school there can be maps where all the schools will show that they are available for partnership. The industries can show that they are available for partnership, and they can request each other for a partnership for the solution. We have craftsmen. They can launch their courses. Sometimes craftsmen are not financially well to make courses, so schools can get in contact with those craftsmen or the craft community just to make those facility available to, so that the craftsmen can make their courses. And then we also have a feature where we can show all the courses to students, that there are different courses they can enroll to. There are weaving crafts, there are codings, which is like the 21st generation skill, and other vocational skills. So we are basically collaborating the modern vocational trainings and the uh, newer, older, basically traditional vocational training into one. We also have a section where you can join a course with the expected salary, or like what is the market review of that particular job role, or like job or this course. So student can look into what are the favorable conditions for them, and accordingly they can choose their courses. So that is our submission for SIH 2024 under the problem statement 1667. Thank you.